Nagustuhan mo ba?
Sinira mo ang kanta. Binaboy mo. Baliw ang nagsasabing isinilang na ang aking karibal. You'll never make it. You're nothing but a second-rate, trying hard, copycat. Dai, Libby, tayo na. Kung nakinig kayo sa akin, hindi na sayang ang gabi ko. Oh yes, mabuhay! Welcome, Miss Alicat Castle, your BFF, your Beshi, your brown skin back. Wow, what a powerful opening, right? Well, those iconic lines are from the famous movie Bituing Walang Ningning, the most dramatic Philippine movie of all time, with Miss Sharon Cuneta and Cherie Hill, my two favorite actresses when it comes to dramatic films. Well, today's makeup tutorial is inspired from all the villains in the movie. All the villains, Kontrabida, Atribida, haters, and bad guys. Well, that's the reason why the lead role or the leading lady always shines, because of them. And for some reason, they always have these three common traits. The first one is they're always loyal. They're very loyal because they're always watching over you, right? Second, they're very excited. They're always very excited what the lead role is about to do. And then third, she's always passionate. Passionate to just do bad things. But at the end of the day, it's still the lead role who shines. Because you know why? She's forgiving. She knows the value of forgiveness. Nagpapatawad siya. She's very understanding. Naiintindihan niya kung bakit ginagawa yun ng kontrabida. And then third, she's very patient. You know, she's just full of patience and okay lang sa kanya kung ginaganon siya. And then third, she's so full of compassion. Kasi diba, I believe every person has a good heart. And that's the reason why she always shines. If you have a good heart, you'll always shine. Just like in life, right? Whatever situation may be given to us, whether that be a bad situation or a bad person who did something bad to us, how are you gonna react? Your reaction will make the difference. Mapipikon ka ba? Are you gonna be pissed? Or are you going to learn how to forgive and be the bigger person and the better person? Well, let's start this makeup tutorial bago pa ako maging dramatic. Diba? So let's begin right now! So the inspiration for today's episode is the villain in the movies, or in Tagalog, the villain is Kontrabidas. And the villain is also known as antagonist, hater, karibal, enemy, rival, mga galit sa mundo. Umpisa pa lang may tambucho na! Starting with the Milani eyeshadow primer to be applied all over the eyelids before the eyeshadow. And just like the primer prepares for your eyeshadow, just like an actress, they need to internalize their roles. Especially the kontrabida, because the villain is the one that gives spice to the movie. Starting with her makeup with the Sonia Kashuk smudge brush, using the LA Girl Nudist Eyeshadow in the color Black. O diba? Para black, maitim agad! Because as we all know, most of these villains have this deepness and darkness that surrounds them. Nakakatakot! And as you can see, we're taking our time doing our eyeliner. Just like a villain takes their time for them to know when to attack! And just a quick tip, if you're not using your regular pencil, your liquid liner, or your gel liner as your eyeliner, make sure that after your primer, you apply the powder eyeshadow first as your eyeliner so that the pigment will stay all day. And now it's time to build dimension right on the eyes using the Sonia Kashuk blending crease brush with the charcoal eyeshadow right below the crease. And just like this charcoal color, that goes the same with the villains. They're always so mysterious and you not knowing what their next plan is. And that's what gets us excited in the movie. Yung merong kasamang kaba! And now doing a highlight on our brow bone using the MAC 242 shader brush with a light cream shadow. And just like in the movies, The antagonist or the villain is not always dark. Sometimes they have this light about them. Pero backstabber pala sila! And now doing our crease color with the Sonia Kashuk blending crease brush with the orange eyeshadow. And just like this color completes the look of the whole eyeshadow, the same goes with the movies. The movie's not complete kung walang kontrabida. And let's face it, they're usually the scene stealers. Lagi silang nakaw eksena. And the truth is, that's just how the audience likes it. The conflict between the bida and the kontrabida. And sometimes in the movies, we need to take a break. So now let's take a break using the Clinique Take the Day Off Makeup Remover to clean off the edges. Starting right in the bottom rim of the eyes, cleaning the remnants of the black shadow liner. And just like a kontrabida or a villain leaves a mark in the viewer's hearts and minds, the same goes if you apply a powder eyeshadow as your liner. It can leave marks everywhere. It always leaves a fallout. And that's a true trait of a villain or a kontrabida. Always wants the main character to fail. Kulang na lang, itapon niya sa bangin! A typical story in the Philippine teleserye. And now using the Estée Lauder Advanced Night Repair Eye Cream to soothe and hydrate the eye area. And just like in the movies, this is like how the main character got defeated in some areas of the movie. Di ba lagi siyang nasa ospital? And I hope you're enjoying so far. And now we're doing the Double Wear Custom Coverage Correcting Duo in Peach Light Medium. And just like this concealer, the main character is also ready to fight back. On the contrary, according to Quora.com, why are villains more attractive? It's because they are the product of the society. They blame society and people can connect to it. The mannerisms in villains are more developed than in the hero. Kaya pala ang mga tao mahilig sa drama. And now, setting our concealer with the Coty Airspun Loose Powder in Transparent. All you have to do is just tap a little amount of the sponge right on the cap and then take off the excess and just tap a little bit right on the skin. And for me who's not a fan of baking, I tell you, this loose powder is so powerful that your makeup will last all day and you don't need a lot of it. And the best thing is, mura lang siya! And now using the Revlon Colorstay Cream Eyeshadow in Chocolate with the Morphe M165 brush to line our bottom lash line. Because the drama is not just on top, it's also in the bottom. Just like a villain in the movies, they never run out of tricks, top or bottom. Kumbaga, lagi silang may tirang pailalim. And now we're going to smoke out our bottom lash line with the brown eyeshadow with the MAC 214 Short Shader Brush. And just like the name of this brush, oh my gosh, a lot of villains or kontrabida always throwing shade. You know what the funny thing is? I think it's not just in movies. Kahit sa totoong buhay, no, ang daming throwing shade. And of course, after throwing shade, just kidding, we're now going to proceed with the Clinique High Impact Mascara in black, diba? And just like the name of this mascara, the impact of the villains and the kontrabidas on us, the viewers, are high. It's high impact because if the kontrabida is not good, then we're also pissed. Naiinis din tayo. So let's face it, we love the kontrabida just like we love the bida. We love the main role and the villain the same. Diyos, totoo ba yan? And now applying the Kiss Next Gen Wispy Blowout Lash. And just like some people like the false lashes, some people hate the false lashes. Just like we love or hate the villain or the kontrabida. Oh! And now, applying our blush with the Sonia Kashuk Contour Brush with the Nars Deep Throat Blush. Oh my gosh, that name Deep Throat is such perfect for a kontrabida. And of course, after the other cheek, we have to do the next cheek. Just like in the movies, di ba? Pag sinampal, hindi lang isa, dun din sa kabila. A perfect movie scene, always slapping on the face, left and right. Right? Typical for a Filipino dramatic movie. And definitely a look of a villain. Dramatic eyes, dramatic lips, dramatic everything. Dramatic lips with the Nars Jungle Red lip liner all over the lips, diba? And drama pa more with the Nars Velvet Matte Lip Pencil in Dragon Girl. O diba? Dramatic, dragon na dragon! Very kontrabida, very villain. Ah! And please, if you enjoy this, don't forget to press the subscribe. Subscribe pa more. But wait, we're not yet done. There's still a final look. Ang tagal naman ng red lipstick. And here she is. Ito na siya. My name is Alicat Castle, your BFF, your Beshi, your brown skin Becky. Always remember that kontrabidas or villains are part of our daily lives. They will always be there as long as we don't get affected by it. So, believe in yourself, just continue to be you, and as Christina Aguilera sings, I am beautiful no matter what they say, I am beautiful in every single way. And yes, you are beautiful! And I hope you enjoyed our makeup tutorial inspired from all the kontrabidas, to all the villains, to all the bad guys, and all the haters in the movies. Well, all I want to say is, that's the reason why we like watching movies. We love the drama. But at the end of the day, in real life, I believe all of us are good people. All of us have a good heart. And all of us are just naturally loving human beings. Diba? Ang drama? What I'm saying is that, kung may mga kontrabida man sa buhay ninyo, hayaan nyo na sila. Eh, hindi mo na problema yon because it's not you who's doing that. It's them. And pagdasal lang natin sila. Let's just pray for them that hopefully, one day they're gonna clear their hearts and that they're gonna realize that life is good and they should be really doing that. So again, this is Alicat Castle saying let's all spread love, laughter, and a little bit of makeup. Again, pagmamahal, pagsasaya, at konting makeup. Sana nagustuhan po ninyo. I hope you enjoyed it. Our controversial makeup tutorial. I love you, mahal kita. I'll see you soon. Ah! We're checking in on things that matter. And today, we have a very, very special guest. I'm so honored. I'm so honored. Oh my God, see?
You are so honored.
I'm so honored because she's so successful. I look up to her. We have Jackie Barras. She is the president for the Philippine Nurses Association of New Jersey, who has an MSN, MBA, HCS, RN, and also a former Lasalista, like all of us, from LaSalle Green Hills, graduates of LaSalle Green Hills. You want to add something, Ali?
Yes, and of course, the one and only, she got it all. Parang SM Schumart lang. No, but honestly, she has it all. Like, she's so beautiful inside and out, and she's happily married at the same time. She has like the best career, and